famous Mazzuli Island is located on which river? Right answer option C, Brahmaputra. Next question. Which is the primary reason that river Ganga is called an endangered river? Right answer option B. Next question. Tawa Dam was built in? Right answer option B. Next question. The originate from the confluence of two rivers, the Chandra and the Baka, which themselves originate from either side of the Baralacha Pass in Luhal. Right answer option D. Next question. Regulating the natural flow of a river by building large dams affected agriculture in downstream region. Why? Right answer option B. Next question. Loka Pavani and Bhavani are the tributaries of the river. Right answer option A, Kaveri. Next question. Narmada or Narbuda is a river in the central India which empties into the Arabian Sea in the state of? Right answer option C, Gujarat. Next question. Which of the following groups of a major river system formed the North Plains of India? Right answer option B. Next question. At Devprayag, which one of the following two rivers confluence and form river Ganga? Right answer option D. Next question. Parts of which present state has involved a local system of canal irrigation called Cools over 400 years ago? Right answer option B. Next question. Which of the following places is a harnessing site for geothermal energy in India? Right answer option B, Manikarn. Next question. Monazite ore is found in the sands of which of the following states of India? Right answer option D, Kerala. Next question. The famous Khatri mines are located in which of India state? Right answer option C, Rajasthan. Next question. Which is the natural resource from which petrol and diesel are obtained? Right answer option D. Next question. Which of the following is a non-conventional source of energy? Right answer option D. Next question. Which is the Manikarn geothermal energy power plant located in India? Where is the Manikarn geothermal energy plant located in India? Right answer option D, Himachal Pradesh. Next question. Which one of the following is the largest coal field in India? Right answer option B. Next question. The Malazkhand is a famous mine of is a famous mine of dash minerals in India. Right answer option D, copper. Next question. Which of the following states has the largest coal reserve of India? Right answer option A. Next question. Why should we human beings reduce our dependence on petrol products? Right answer option C. Amount of petrol is finite. Next question. Which one of the following states has the largest deposit of blackjet granite? Right answer option D. Next question. The only thing that we do not get from natural source but directly from outside the earth is? Right answer option D. Next question. Which one of the following is a common source of energy? Right answer option D. Next question. Out of the following, which is not a non-conventional source of energy? Right answer option D.